All right, welcome to this live session. First, I do apologize for the very late video. Well, it is all for good because we were trying to conduct a thorough analysis in order to spot out those valid trading opportunities for us to share with you so we can take the trades together. Okay. All right, so I'm just going to very quickly share with you those trading opportunities, but first let's look into the Forex Factory economical calendar to see those high impact news announcements that are scheduled for this trading week. Well, you have to keep in mind that this is the NFP week. The employment data will be pumped into the market, affecting the Canadian dollar and the American dollar axis. That will be coming up on Friday, the January 10th. Okay. Hopefully we'll be trading this live. We'll be looking live into the market to see how we can take advantage of this news announcement to trade, make money from it. Okay. Well, others are normal high impact news announcement. I think the extra sorry, the news announcement that you need to keep extra give extra attention is the NFP for the Canadian dollar and the American dollar. Okay, I think that's basically it. Let's look into the charts straight away to see those trading opportunities. The first chart I want to share with you here is the New Zealand dollar against the Japanese yen. From the weekly time frame, we could practically see how price tends to suffer some rejection from the monthly level of support. Okay, it suffered some rejection. If you go to the monthly time frame, let me just zoom out. Okay, you will see how that level that has been holding price as resistance constantly held price around here as support here and support here. In fact, we got a fake breakout here. That was a fake breakout. Okay, fake breakout here, fake breakout right here, price pushing up. Well, if you try to draw a trend line considering this lower swing lows, okay, lower swing lows right there, this low is quite lower than this and also lower than this. That means we have an ugly trend. Okay, an ugly trend. So we'll just draw a trend line. We are going to keep that level. Okay, just keep that one there. That's the focal point. I changed that to our pink. All right, so this level here has although that level of support is still there, but it has been breached twice. I am going to delete that. I don't want to keep too many lines. Okay. All right, so that's the line that I have now in the weekly time frame. Well, what we are seeing here is that price is making attempts to push all the way to retest that level right here. Okay, in the weekly time frame, we got an inner trend line connecting this high, this one here, and this one here. So I'm just going to connect that one. This okay, seems to be a two level, a 2-point bounce. Keep it within the weekly, daily. Okay. All right, so that's it. That's the focal, the beginning of the push. It bounced right there, a little swing, then to the downside. Now that level is broken. All right, it is broken. You can see the breakout. That was the breakout. Okay, now we are seeing some sort of a pullback. In our analysis, we are expecting price to push back to the upside, possibly retesting the monthly level of resistance that we have analyzed. Okay, we are bullish in this pair in the daily time frame. Daily time frame right here, you can see that price is close to that level, okay, that weekly level. I am just going to mark this. All right, in red. I'm going to keep that in red. Okay, that's the low. I am also going to keep this as a high. Okay. Now, what are we expecting in the Swiss franc against the Japanese yen? Well, our expectation, based on our technical analysis, is that price is going to find support anywhere around current level to return to the upside. So we are ultimately bullish and we'll be searching for long opportunities because we expect price to move all the way again to that area right there, okay, somewhere around there. That is where we're expecting price to move. So what we really have here is some sort of a trending, okay, a staircase formation, sorry, push up, sideways, push up, a little sideways, then a push up again. Okay, so we are bullish, we are considering this move here as a pullback, and we are thinking this is the best area to look for another push to the upside, trading in the direction of this trend. Okay, all right, so that's it. We're bullish here, expecting price to push to the upside. Well, the next pair, it is similar to this. We took a trade already, and so I'm just going to review that trade so we can see what's been going on. All right, the Swiss franc against the Japanese yen. We took a trade here. This is a trade that I am optimistic about. I am just going to delete this shaded areas. Let me clarify this a bit further. In the weekly time frame, this is the level that I am expecting price to move all the way to. This level right here, the 115.03 and the 114.18 area, 115.03 and 114.18 area. Okay, 18 area. That's the area that I'm expecting price to move up to, somewhere in there. Okay, let's see the daily time frame. In the daily time frame, we got a trend line. Okay, clear trend line, push up, sideways, push up, might be seeing another pullback for another push up. In fact, the 3 SM indicator might give us a clear headway. Let's fire in that indicator. You can see that we are having some kind of valid setup here. Price already made the bounce off the dynamic area of support in this case, and now some sort of a pullback to that very soon. I am sure price will catch up with that with the shaded area, dynamic area of support somewhere around in there, and that is where I'm expecting price to make another push. Okay, to make some push to the upside. The expectation is that price is going to move all the way to the blue level that we have marked in the weekly time frame. So this is obviously going to be some trending market condition here. Okay, and from there on I expect to see price come back down again. So if you are holding this trade, please keep the trade, don't be nervous. If price comes to our stop loss, don't worry, we are going to take the loss. Okay, we'll close our eyes and take the loss and move on. We are not going to make any adjustments to any stop loss placement. This stop loss level is our final level as far as this trade is concerned. Let's just keep the trade, and hopefully we are going to hit all of that profit to the upside. Okay, all right, so that's it. Let's move on to the next pair, the Australian dollar against the American dollar. This is a clear one already in the daily time frame. We are expecting to see some sort of reversal around that area of support. We have seen the trend in market condition here, nice trend. Okay, push up, pull back. From here on we'll be searching for bounces to the upside. That's a nice one, so just keep your fingers crossed. Hopefully we will get an entry with this one. All right, finally the euro against the American dollar in the weekly time frame. We have analyzed this over and over since last year. We had to draw this expanding triangle as our focal pattern. All right, so we're expecting price to push all the way to the upper boundary of this triangle. In the daily time frame, I am quite liking the kind of price move here. I am liking the higher swing higher right here. Okay, that means momentum is to the upside, and we are getting some lower swing lows. From here on is where I expect to see price to turn around to the upside. This week is NFP week. Well, we may be taking a trade in the euro against the American dollar. If we do, then we will be looking to close out the trade before Friday, the NFP. Okay, this is also a heavy area of support. Okay, a heavy area of support. So I think what we have seen technically here is a breakout, then a pullback, and we are now searching for the bounce to the upside. So if you take a trade here, okay, I think that is a sensible decision. Placing your stop loss sensibly too. Okay, if we are taking a trade here, we will definitely let you know the entry levels and the stop loss. All right, I think this is going to be a profitable trading times for us. Just be patient, the trades will come to you. We will make sure we take trades every single day. Thanks again, and sit tight as the signals will be sent to you. If you have questions or contributions, feel free, send them across, and we'll be very happy to respond to them. Do have a profitable trading week. We'll talk again, hopefully before the market closes for tomorrow. Bye for now.